Hey, welcome back. Today we're going to do some basic maintenance on a highly customized Glock 34 from Terran Tactical. I'm going to just take this guy down and lubricate it up, make sure it's cleaned out and ready to go to the range. Okay, first thing we need to do is go ahead and clear the firearm. There we go, we'll drop the mag. Open up the slide here and show it's clear. Nothing in the chamber, nothing in the mag well. And we'll drop that slide and take it off. There we go. So you get down to here and you got the frame and the slide. And we'll just set the frame down. We're not going to do anything with that here right now. Slide this guy over. So next we'll pull out the guide rod and recoil spring. And drop out the barrel. And you got it basically cleared out there. There's your slide. Looks like we've taken a little wear on the slide here, but looks like our striker spring is working good still. And yeah, that's looking all right. Let's hit it with a little bit of oil. You don't want to overdo it here. We don't need this sloppy wet. We just want to touch on the key points that are going to get worn while we're down at the range. There we go. Got a little bit on the slide. Got him lubed up. Let's touch on the rails a little bit here too. Get just a little bit right there and a little bit on the locking block on the front here. Same on the other side. There we go, that ought to do it for that. Let's go ahead and do that with, let's go ahead and lubricate up that slide too. Hit him with a little bit right in there. Oh, see, don't overdo it now. We don't want to get much oil down in that firing pin channel. That's no good. Let's try that again here. Just a little bit down in there. A little bit down in there. And that really ought to do it. We're going to go ahead and lube up that guide rod after we get it back into the slide. So I'm going to take the barrel, drop him back in. And I think we'll drop a little touch of oil on the barrel as well. We got it on the slide too, but I think it helps to get a little bit on the barrel. Okay, there we go. We got our guide rod installed again. You want to go ahead and touch that up with just a little bit of oil there. Again, don't need to overdo it. We don't need this all sloppy wet. Okay, we'll put our slide back on. And we should be good to go. Hey, before I get this all the way back together, I want to make note of this one is actually not drop safe. You can see it doesn't have the drop safety plunger down in here. So unfortunately, I guess that's a design flaw with this one. So just be careful, don't drop your Glock 34 customized. Okay, there we go. Once we got him slid back together there. Looks like he's a little sloppy wet on the outside here, so let's go ahead and give him a wipe down. There we go. And get our magazine back in there, and Alright, so we can see if we can cycle some ammo through here now that we got a magazine installed. I rode the slide home. Look at that. Darn it. There we go. Let's go ahead and cycle some ammo through here. There we go. Our slide locks back. Seems like it works pretty good. Let's go ahead and drop our slide down. Function check. Pull the trigger. Okay, that was pretty good. What's our reset like on here? Oh, pulling back too far. Get my slide lock back again. Okay, holding the trigger back, dropping the slide. See where our reset is. Oh man, I think it's all the way out. Oh no. Unfortunately on this guy, I think maybe the reset is non-existent. So if you cycle the slide, your trigger resets just fine. There we go. But if you hold the trigger back and you cycle the slide, you still got a dead trigger. So cycle the slide without doing the trigger back. Works fine. I don't know. Do you think I need to send it back to Terran Tactical for that? That doesn't seem right. I don't have any other Glocks that work that way. Maybe that's for competition purposes, I'm not sure. Oh well. That's my new Glock 34. Hope you like it. New addition to my family. So far I'm enjoying it. Stay safe out there, guys. Bye.